Hey guys, got something kind of special today. Said that before. The unboxing of brand new motor. We got our motor in. So gonna walk you through like what comes with a new Briggs & Stratton LO206 race motor and the kit that comes with it. So here it is. Grab my knife. Start with this big box right here. Picked this up today from Eric over at Point Karting. Very excited to get this in. It's gonna be a busy couple evenings, and I got Friday off, so I'm gonna work setting it up Friday. Hopefully get out to the track and do break-in with this. Here, I'll bring the camera over to show you what it looks like inside. Here's what it looks like inside the box. We have a new motor. Some sort of manual. Pull the manual out. Let's see. Looks like it came with a little tube. Just manual, brand new manual. Relatively frustration-free packaging. Kind of a joke. Right in the box. So here's a new motor. It's the 206 crate engine. I got a couple stickers from Point Karting that I'm gonna put on this. Probably cover up that with a Point Karting sticker. I don't know where the other one goes. The other one's like a long skinny sticker. Ask Eric where it goes, but set it down right here, gentle like. There's the new motor. All right, let's look at the rest of the stuff. This looks like the accessories kit. Install guide comes with it. We have some wire nuts, I think it's a throttle cable, fuel filter, one big zip tie, a bunch of little fuel line clips, some nuts, some bolts, some safety wire. Exhaust gasket, new exhaust tube. That'll probably go like right here, I think, on the motor. Let's see. Here is a new silencer, muffler, whatever you call that. Chain guard. A not cut up chain guard. So there's that. Some wrap for the exhaust. I think this is some fuel line, some new fuel line, and a little throttle cable guide. I think the throttle cable goes through this plastic cable. And just a bunch of brackets for the exhaust. And lastly, one of these exhaust clamp things. Old muffler on, I think. And lastly, Inferno racing clutch. For that, I had 18-tooth sprocket. And then we got a Inferno clutch. Here is the guide for setting it up. Comes with it. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Oh, and here are the parts. Comes in this blue paper, this plastic blue stuff, and this is what the clutch looks like. Let's go and get it apart. Show you what the guts look like. There's the insides. This assume there's some springs in here, and this spins out and binds up with the outside of the case. It's kind of like a drum brake, actually. See if I can get it back together. Yeah. So there's it back together. Go back in here. I remember Eric said I had to put high temp grease on the needle bearing, and then blue Loctite on something else. Probably have to ask him again. Hopefully it's in the instructions. These are all the parts that come with it. Here's that needle bearing, I think. I think that's what this is. And a cover, and it looks like a bunch of shims, maybe? And one of these sort of clamps. I hate those things. It's a big one though, so it shouldn't be too obnoxious. But yeah, those are the parts. I'm gonna put it back in the bag. Not ready to swap the motor over yet, so it's just an unboxing. Eric gave me this awesome document that describes a lot of the setup stuff I need. And we'll walk through some of that. This motor has to be broken in, so we have some of the secret sauce from Amsoil. Grab that. It's racing motor break-in oil. It's high temp, or not high temp, high zinc oil, made for breaking motors. And then the regular spec stuff. 40. And we'll be running that stuff in this motor. This weekend we'll be out and breaking it in. Preparation for the next race. I'm excited about this. Thanks for watching. The next video we'll be putting this together. Alright. Hey guys, if you made it this far and you're still watching, you hopefully enjoyed what you saw. If you did, please hit the like button. It helps YouTube recommend it to other people who might also like watching these videos. And if you hit subscribe, then it'll let you know when there are new ones, and you can follow me as I learn more about karting and compete this season. Thank you.